Hello everybody once again. Welcome back. I am going to take you today on one of the best trail rides you will ever get to experience, and I hope this will inspire you to go find it. Do it yourself. This trail runs from the highway at the entrance of Cape Disappointment State Park down in Ilwaco, Washington. Runs from the highway about 1.5 miles each way out to the North Head Lighthouse, and then we'll also get to go up to Molly's Lookout. So come on along, enjoy the ride, enjoy the scenery. This is one of the most beautiful forests that you'll ever ride through. And then it ends up at one of the most beautiful lighthouses overlooking two of the most beautiful beaches you'll ever see in your life. So, come on along and enjoy. I'll be riding my OneWheel Pint-X. My wife's right behind me. Sometimes she gets in front of me on her Segway 9-bot. This is a great path for regular bicycles, for electrical bicycles, skateboards, walking. It's just a great path to be on. So enjoy. Thanks for coming along. You'll notice this path is all paved, and it's really nice pavement. It doesn't have roots coming across it. There's no cracks. You see how smooth my board rides on this beautiful path. There's plenty of room if you need to pass people, pass each other. In the meantime, you're cruising through the most gorgeous forest. So deep and so lush, and so many different kinds of trees and bushes. So that takes us up to the parking lot of the part of the lighthouse where the officers' quarters are, and you can actually rent these places that we're about to see for overnight stays. So that's something to think about. There's Molly's Overlook. We went right past it. Piper noticed it. I didn't notice it. She was trying to get my attention, but I was heading for the pretty buildings. So we're going to go up and take a look at the officers' quarters and where the gift shop is first. And then we'll get riding back on the path again. These are the lighthouse keepers' quarters that you can rent. Stay the night there. What a great place to spend a weekend. Up here's the gift shop. Wasn't open while we were there, but that's because it was early in the morning. We wanted to beat the crowds. We did. We also beat the store. The scenery all along these trails is just amazing. The buildings are beautiful, but the natural beauty of the area is breathtaking. Now we head down the path, skip to the good parts. This is the part you want to pay attention to. It is just So gorgeous and breathtaking. A lot of eye candy coming up. Enjoy. Now we're looking south at the beach where the campsites are for Cape Disappointment State Park. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful beach. Great place to ride scooters. Great place to walk. It's just a great beach. And then the North Head Lighthouse. One of the most beautiful classic lighthouses you'll ever see. It doesn't have the red and white stripes, but it's a beautiful, beautiful lighthouse. From this lighthouse, you can look down to the south is the Cape Disappointment and the beach that runs down to the Columbia River and then across to Astoria from there. And if you look to the north, you're looking straight up the Long Beach Peninsula, the longest drivable beach in Washington State. This part is where Piper told me about the path that we missed earlier. So she's going to take the lead and show us. Meantime, we'll look down Cape Disappointment again. So this particular ride, we started down at the campgrounds down on that beach off to the right. This was a 11-mile ride that took us up here to the lighthouse and then to this lookout that Piper's going to show us here in a minute. We then took the path that continues, the bike path, all the way down the hill on the north side to Long Beach and got to go visit the beach there. And then back up to our campsite in Cape Disappointment. And that video is also available, and it's in 360 view, so you can look at the whole thing, but it's an hour long. So if you feel like it, it's a great video to watch. And if you're thinking about bringing your scooters or your e-bikes down here for this trip, you might want to watch it just to see what to expect. So Piper's taking us back out to that parking lot that we were in when we first came off the first part of the trail. And then we're going to go left at the sidewalk. Run into the nice ladies with the dogs that we saw on the first path. They're probably getting tired of us. But they were nice about it. This leg of the path is just really remarkably peaceful. You're just in the forest. It's just really relaxing. millions of really cool things to take pictures of. So if you're like me, this is a good place to be. Ran into some bugs there. Caught them in my forehead. Fortunately, I wasn't, didn't have my mouth open. So this goes on for half a mile or so. Just a really, really beautiful bike path. And then, wait for it. Wait for it. Ah, you're still waiting for it, but it's coming. You'll be glad you waited. Here we go. Here's the treasure Piper found. Across the long bridge and out to Molly's viewpoint. Might be called Molly's Overlook. Don't remember exactly. Could have checked, didn't. Anyway, that's Long Beach Peninsula there, Pacific Ocean. What a romantic spot. Such a beautiful place to be. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. I'm Bryan Diehl. See you soon.